Hello, kumusta ka na? So, some people say, ito, masaya. Some people say, lonely po ako, gano'n. So, matanong lang kita, if, how many friends you have today? So, marami masasabi, I have 5,000 friends on Facebook, 500 friends on personal, etc., etc. But the context is, ilan ba talaga ang tunay na kaibigan? A true friend doesn't define na andyan siya sa tabi mo. A true friend doesn't define that those friend na yon is always with you. Ang tunay na kaibigan, ito ang sabi ko, those person that you can trust with. Hindi yung friend na mabait lang sa umpisa, pero masama pala. Or those friend who will backbite and stab you in front of you, or kapag nakatalikod ka, marami ang sinasabi. Those friend na maasahan mo. Those friend na kung mali ka, pagsabihan ka na mali yan. And those friend na hindi ka pagsasamantalahan dahil ang iba mga friend ngayon, kinagamit ka bilang kaibigan dahil meron silang makukuha sa iyo. And that's the very saddest point. Kasi yung iba makikipagkaibigan kasi meron pa silang makukuha sa iyo. And if turns out the times will roll out and goes by, pag ikaw naghihirap, check ka na lang. Yun pa nga sinasabi nila na mas mabaho ka pa sa tae ng tao. And it's really sad. Which it's better to select a person whom to be friend with. Bahala na isa, pero tunay, hindi piki. Kasi, yun na nga, last time when I had talk or given a talk on a large amount of people, I had told them na plastics can pollute the environment. Too much plastic can pollute in the environment if they are scattered. And it is just like fake friends too. Plastic. So pag maraming plastic sa buhay mo at nakakalat yan, and you cling with them, toxic na yon. So, for now, let's be selective to whom we befriend. Trust those people who are truly a friend for us. And be thankful to God na meron ka nun. Kasi mahirap ngayon na umasa sa hindi tunay na friend. Marami ngayon ang mga makapal ang mukha, marami ngayon ang mga manggagamit, and manipulators. We need a friend who are very caring, kind, considerate, and those whom you can lean on in times of you are on stress and you are on problem. Yung tumutulong at handang tumulong sa iyo kung may problema ka. Hindi lang yung sa ginhawa lang, kundi sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya, they are with you. They may not be physically here with you. Maybe they are on distance, but those friend na hindi nakakalimot sa iyo and they pray for your welfare. They are the best gift that you have, a true friend. Sa mga naging kaibigan ko at iniisip ko na tunay na kaibigan, alhamdulillah, praise to God, you are a gift from heaven. Wala man kayo sa tabi ko, but still, I always remember you, na sana we will be reunited and laugh and be with me on the next day of our journey. Thank you.